Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. VeChain is still caught in corrective patterns. As you can see, we are still tracking a potential bullish scenario, but so far without confirmation that a correction is complete. I've been saying it for the last few weeks and actually months that without a first 5-wave move up, we haven't got any confirmation that a low is complete or that a low is in. And therefore we have to remain flexible and might even consider one more low. That will reduce in likelihood one more low once we get a first 5-wave move to the upside. The invalidation point for the yellow scenario, which would be a 5-wave move up, is the August low, and we've pretty much reached that now. It's not invalidated yet, but at this stage we have to expect the yellow count to invalidate, even though this is normally the point where reward and risk are in a very favorable ratio. So the price is now moved down to nearly 1.9 cents, which is the invalidation point for the yellow 1-2 setup. Quick reminder that the 1-2 setup is based on a 3-wave move up in wave 1, which is not clearly bullish, so it is highly speculative. And the deep retracement is also highly speculative, and the move down doesn't look complete yet. So I think the white count at least should take us down to 1.82 cents or 1.58 cents. Now that will create a problem because any sustained break below the 78.6 retracement, as you know, will I would say challenge the larger bullish thesis. So that's this level, the 78.6 fib level. I say that all the time. Once we get a sustained break below the 78.6 retracement, a bullish reversal becomes less likely. Not impossible though. There is some wiggle room, especially the next fib level is at 1.58 cents. That's the 88.7 Fibonacci retracement, but normally too deep for a wave 2. And then we have the formal invalidation point for the larger structure, for the overall bigger picture bullish thesis and scenario. That's at 1.35 cents. And this is the June 2023 low. I mean, what I try to say is any sustained break below 1.82 cents will mean that we at least should test the invalidation point, or at least it's becoming more likely, and that's at 1.35 cents. There's only one other level that will stand between the price and the invalidation point, and that's the 1.58 cent level. It would require a break above that late October high at 2.46 cents to indicate that the yellow count is making a comeback. I can't, there's nothing there telling me this is happening, right? Unless the bulls really turn up here. And again, reward to risk ratio is really good here now from a long trade point of view, because the stop would be sitting below the August low. And yeah, I mean, reward to risk is phenomenal. It's just that there's at the moment no sign that we are reversing, even though if we zoom in a little bit, there's a bit of a reaction there, a small reaction that could turn into something, but it's too early to say. Yeah, so it might be something to watch, something to observe, but for those who want a little bit more confidence or want to have probabilities on their side, it might be wise to wait for the first micro 5-wave move up followed by a 3-wave pullback. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.